Good morning. Today is the day after the race and I've messed up a little bit, I think. Anyway, I'm at Rafa and they're doing like 3 Triple Crown rides, basically just like 3. I'll get Les to explain it, but anyway, I thought that today's ride was 90k, which is about stuff. It's about 8:15 in the morning. And yeah, I thought, yeah, it's 90k, that's fine. We're back like lunchtime, like mid-afternoon maybe. And I put the route on my Garmin, just click the route, and it says 150k. And I'm like, is it 90k or 150? Because I've got a 200k Audax tomorrow, like a really mega hilly, like 3,500-4,000 metre Audax tomorrow. So I thought today's would just be like a quick spin almost. And then now I'm looking, I'm like, I've ridden in, so it'll be about 170k, which is fine, but I'm just like, shit, I've not checked this properly, so I need to go in and ask Les, like, is it, I'm thinking maybe I've seen 90 miles and thought it was 90k. Oh, shall we go and find out how far I'm riding today? Man. I've got a question. Is it 90k or 150? I think I fucked up. I thought it was 90k.
It's 153.
I thought it was. I'm doing a 200k Audax tomorrow. I thought, oh, this will be like a nice warm up.
No, we do what you want.
But I think I must have read 90 miles.
95 miles. Yeah.
I saw it and then I put it on the Garmin this morning. And I was like, it says 150. That can't be right. I was like, oh,
You'll be fine.
had a flat. I've just changed it and we're all having a little pump each, so it's so nice to have nice friends who stop and wait for you. Oh, right, okay.
No, it's better!
Come on, Lacey, you can do it, you can do it! You can... the pump. Go, 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 go! So after the puncture, it basically just rained for a fairly long time, so we are now heading on to Monsell Trail, which is going to be a little bit gravelly, so I'm probably not going to have the camera for that either. But yeah, at least it's dried up now, which is nice. I mean, it's not... I was expecting it to be like mega sunny. Oh, actually, by the way, two of the lads crashed in front of us. One of them thought it was left, one thought straight on. They just collided on the floor. So we've had a puncture, a crash, and double the distance I expected that I would be riding today. So yeah, my legs actually felt okay at the start. They just feel dead on the climbs. I'm like flagging. I think we're about 60 or so K, 70 total for me. So yeah, because I rode in. So yeah, I'm just looking for, I want a co-op, I want my bagel, and I want it by a bin, and I want some juice. So I'm looking for that. But yeah, this trail is pretty. Look, have a look round. Have a little look round. It is nice. Shows your wounds. Shows your wounds.
I have no wounds to show.
You okay? No, you did on one of the the pump.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, here.
Which one did you do on the pump?
This one here, but I heal like a superhero.
Superhero. But you're not in any. You've not got any cuts.
No cuts.
You jumped straight back up though. You were pretty. Monster healer. So it's not an Audax, but this is the usual. Got them to later as well. I feel like I'm bonking. Oh, look at the colour of my legs. So dirty. We've got making a little sandwich. The sun has finally come out, so the jacket is off and we're going to head up. I'm told we're just in Hathersage, so I just had a little sandwich we've just seen outside Spa, and now we're just going to head carry on climb. I'm so glad it's dried up though, so it's about 85k I think. Only 5k short of what I thought I was actually riding today, so let's go.
Just telling your followers you're in for a week.
Absolutely, I can fill them in on every last detail.
Have you done one on the Fred Whitman?
Yeah.
Thought it was you.
It was me.
Yeah,
My name
very
on the
good.
road.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I didn't see that bit. I recognise you from watching one of the friends.
Yeah. That was me.
Very good.
Right, shall we go?
Right, ready everyone?
Hang on, so what's this trick?
So, using these buttons here that are underneath, hidden
Look at
buttons,
this. Yeah.
you can move your Garmin that way or that way.
How
And
did you put those buttons in there?
It's got a Bluetooth connector under there, and if I double click,
Yeah.
it puts. If I hold it down, sorry, it puts the elevation up. If I double click, it brings the map up.
Are they set? Can you put them on any bike?
No, it's only with the Durex DXs.
Oh well, you only got to be fancy, like a pro for you.
Yeah. It's the
I like that
It's the
though.
only pro thing.
Let me show you mine now.
At least they're not scuffed from the from the fall.
I must have been from the crash. It stopped working with the crash.
You press that.
So we're just heading up to Mamtor now. It's going to be steep. I think this is going to be the steepest climb of all of it. So let's go. Hey,
Brutal line there.
what do you think, Mamtor?
Amazing. Best ever.
He just came down and went, "What a shit motherfucker that was."
I don't know, it was the guy behind me.
Yeah, it's a nice little view though. Definitely nice view. So yeah, this is top of Mamtor. God, I think I was just saying to these, like I did it a few years back, and obviously I don't think I was as fit maybe, but it felt like a lot shorter this time, so that's always good. It wasn't as hairy as I remembered. And the weather's pretty nice now. I mean, look at that! Blue skies, bit of headwind, but
Post-ride debrief.
of course. It's like post-ride debrief, of course. Always supposed. I'm still not home yet though. The nicest weather of the day has come in the last 10k when we're going through Levenshulme and like really busy, horrible road. So yeah, still got 10k to ride home. I'm gonna go and have a brew, I reckon, but I'll still take you in with me. So yeah.
It was so nice when we were going through the 11s. Yeah, not bad. I wondered who that was then. How are you doing?
Oh good, how are you? Oh god, I don't even know where to put mine.
That's the nicest spot I've had. Well, I shot
We found him, we were coming down a descent and he's coming up the other way. What did you say? Am I going the right way? And we're like, no, you're not.
Help him out there. Just help him out.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up.
How was it?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really good. I want to go up.
You're going to earn that round up.
Yeah, maybe. Well done, buddy. Absolutely epic job. Been hearing all sorts about your exploits.
Yeah, we literally like we got to Disley and then we just went straight down the A6 because we were like, mate,
We did the exact same thing. We were like, I'm screwed. We are
I was just
screwed.
like that hill up and like out of Disley's
Yeah.
rain is so horrible.
I didn't know it was that means you're all going to have to leave.
I know, we're like, this is so long.
It's just down there. Like I've blasted down this road so many times. I just want to get home.
No, you did so well.
No, it was fun.
Well, I will see you soon.
Try to hold their wheel for like that long. It was just like, and then
It's
it was
just
like,
perfect training. That's what it is.
yeah, my TSS today was just under 400.
Yeah, best day
I did Mount Tour over 400 watts.
400 watts!
400 watts.
Yes!
Good wow.
Hey! Yeah! Thank you.
Genuinely scared though.
And how nice is this? So basically we've just come out and had a little sit in the sun. Which I think is nice, having a little beer. Not me. I don't drink. Look at Louise! You got your shoes off!
Good lad, Steve.
Look at Steve with his feet out!
Hey, that guy knows how to kick back.
Yeah, he does! Oh my days. I am exhausted. I can't even, I don't know what it is. Look at my hair. My hair is, how my hair looks is how my legs feel. There's not many times because of the gearing that I've got that my legs really feel, I don't know, just exhausted. But I think all the racing is just, 3 races in a week is just, quick races as well, is just taking it out of them. They are just it hurt to do the hill back up to where I live, and oh my god, I was meant to be doing an Audax tomorrow, 200k, like 3,500-4,000 meter climb in day. What am I saying? I'm so tired. Yeah, it's meant to be like a monster day of climbing. There's no way in hell I will be doing that tomorrow now. I'm just, I think it's because I was expecting today to be 90k and it wasn't. It was 160, I think, total. 165. Have a look at my Strava if you want to have a look where I've been. But yeah, good day out. The Rafa lot are so much fun, really nice, just such friendly people, and just had a really good day out. I like the ride apart from the rain. The weather was beautiful on the way back, even like riding back from town. Just such nice weather, such good weather. I wish it could be sunny all year. So yeah, that is it for today's riding. I'm gonna go and wash my hair, brush my hair, and rest my legs and get a load of food. So I'll see you next video. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions, any comments, leave them below. Yeah, and I'll see you next video. Bye.
Did you get your bike? You haven't left that there all the time you've been upstairs. You left it, fuck off.